Hello everyone, and welcome to my Easy Peasy Art channel. Today is a special day. It's World Smile Day, a day dedicated to spreading happiness and kindness. So I thought it would be wonderful to create some art that not only celebrates delicious meals, but also reminds us of the importance of sharing and being kind to one another. Let's get started. We'll start by drawing some fragrant herbs half dipped into the soup. It's like they're taking a cozy bath in this deliciousness. Now let's make our soup playful. Draw the soup splashing out from the edges of the bowl. Think of it as the soup having a little party, dripping down in a carefree way. Look at this. Our vegetables are so excited to jump into the soup. Carrots, mushrooms, peas, potatoes, and any other veggies you like. Imagine them leaping into the bowl with joy. Our soup is smoking hot, sending warmth and comfort to those who need it. Remember, even a simple meal shared with someone can make a big difference in their day. Let's add a delicious burrito. We'll start by drawing the burrito wrap peeking from the right side of the soup bowl. Now, let's fill that burrito with some yummy veggies. Draw bell peppers, onions, and any other veggies you like. To make our burrito complete, add some fresh lettuce leaves on top. They're like a crunchy surprise waiting to be discovered. Make them look crisp and vibrant. Let's start by coloring a beautiful sunny yellow, radiating warmth and happiness. Don't forget to add green floating herbs to make it even more delightful. Let's color the burrito wrap with a soft peach color. It's as cozy as a warm blanket. Now let's give life to those veggies in the burrito. As we wrap up our artwork for World Smile Day, thank you for joining me, and I hope this artwork reminds you of the joy of sharing and the importance of kindness. Don't forget to spread smiles, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more easy peasy art projects. Happy World Smile Day, everyone!